All right, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all got this Mahindra 3525. It hasn't been cranked probably about probably a month and a half probably, and it's about 19 degrees out here right now, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can get it cranked up this morning, see how it does on cold start there. Well, y'all see right there, it didn't like it at all. It sounded like it battery's low. So I'm gonna go and get my booster pack and hook up to it, and let's see what it does. Alright, y'all, let's give this another try. Got my booster pack up. Let's see if we can get this tractor cranked up this morning. Definitely cold this morning. She doesn't like it too much, I don't think. It's been over a month and a half since I cranked it up. That battery's a little low. I just thought I'd give y'all a video this morning. I seen where Pete over at Cheap Homesteading did a video on his Kubota tractor there on the cold start, and I just thought I'd come out here and do a video showing y'all how this Mahindra 3525 will crank up on a cold morning. Like I said, it's about 19 degrees right now. But I'll leave a link down to Pete's channel down below. Y'all go check him out. Y'all, sound like it's running a little bit better now. It took at least, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes before it kind of smoothed out there. It seems like it's running a lot better now. It didn't like that cold start, I can tell you that. So you see right there, she's not smoking no more, so Alright y'all, back in the house here, and just want to show y'all my wood stove here. Some of you not seen it, some might have not seen it. This is a Dutch West wood stove. We've had it when we built the house here. We put it in here, so it's been about 2006. How long we've been using it. Real good wood stove, y'all. It's got this catalyst up in the top here. I just placed it maybe 2 years ago, and it does a real good job. I don't think they make these stoves anymore, but I just want to show y'all this wood stove, what we're here home with. And I tell you what, y'all, nothing like good wood heat on a cold winter day.